In this video, I would like to explain a series math algebra question. 9 raised to x plus 9 raised to x plus 9 raised to x equal to 81. Find x. The coefficient of 9 raised to x is 1. According to monomial addition, 1 plus 1 plus 1 equal 3. So 3 multiply 9 raised to x equal 81. Dividing both sides by 3. Nine raised to x equal 27. 9 raised to x is 3 raised to 2 the whole power x equal 27 is 3 cube. We must multiply the two numbers. And then 3 raised to 2x equal 3 raised to 3. Bases are the same, so exponents are the same. 2x equal 3. Therefore, x equal 3 over 2. Thanks for watching.